Well, aloha everyone, Gio here,
Y Juan Carlos.
and we are coming to you from ALUANI Resort and Spa, right there on my shirt, all the way here in Oahu, Hawaii, and we are super excited to be here.
Yeah, we're excited.
It's like, wow!
Yeah.
So we got in late last night, so we didn't get a chance to do a complete resort tour or anything like that, so stay tuned, we'll be doing that. But we wanted to welcome you all, and we wanted to give you a quick little overview of the room. We're not going to do an in-depth room tour because there are literally hundreds of those you can look up online for the ALUANI Resort and Spa. But what we are going to do is we're going to invite them to join us in a new group that we've created, right?
It's a group that you guys can find in Facebook and Instagram.
Exactly. And the t-shirt might give you a hint. Why am I wearing a rainbow shirt? Well, we're here at Disney Vacation Club, so we have created a group on Facebook and Instagram, as Juan Carlos said, and it's called
Gays of DVC.
That's right. Hashtag Gays of DVC. And we're inviting you, if you are part of the LGBTQI plus community and you're a DVC member
Or an ally.
or an ally, exactly, or you're a DVC fan or interested in becoming part of the Disney Vacation Club, we're inviting you to join us in this Facebook group where we'll have lively discussions about Disney Vacation Club around the world. And that's why we're here, starting it out in ALUANI, because this has been a bucket list for us for a long time. And we go to Disney Vacation Club all the time in Orlando. We just came from Disneyland. So we invite you to join us. So let's start it out by giving you just a quick overview of our room here at ALUANI. We are staying in a deluxe studio, ocean view. And we got a beautiful balcony. The room is perfectly quaint. We woke up this morning and opened the curtains, and what did we do?
Wow.
The gay gasp. We clutched our pearls and said, oh my God, look at this view.
So beautiful.
So anyway, let's show you the room real quick.
All right, welcome to room 1466. In this resort, you can use your Magic Band Plus as a key to unlock the door. You can use your cell phone or a card that you can get in the lobby. So let's try it. There you go. Coming in.
All right. It's already bright as we walk in the room. All right, so as you enter the room, immediately on this room, we have a nice little closet, double closet doors here. We've already got our clothes hanging. But inside this room, you get a wall safe, you get an ironing board and an iron, and of course, plenty of storage for hanging clothes, which is great. Then we have our little kitchenette, and that's what you get in the Deluxe Studios. What's nice is instead of just a beverage cooler, you get a full refrigerator. And actually, this is a pretty good size refrigerator, which is nice. And it even has a freezer. So that's nice to see. Although ours is not on. I'll have to check on that. You get a microwave. And here at ALUANI, you get a hot pot. You get an ice maker. You get a toaster. A couple wine glasses. Some more storage up above. A sink, which is great. You get a little flip out drawer for stuff, and your fire extinguisher and your garbage can. And of course, old school coffee maker. But they do provide you with some coffee, which is great. And across from the kitchenette, you got this nice wooden sliding door that takes you into the main bathroom. So come on in. And this bathroom has a tub shower combo. Nice that you have a rain head shower plus a wand shower. You do get the little line to hang your wet bathing suits, which is great. Single vanity here. Plenty of storage space though, and you get some shelves down below, which is also fantastic. And if you've watched our videos before, you know that I'm a fan of a commode that has its own door. So thank you, DVC ALUANI, for having a door. All right, so now I'm in the main bedroom. In this deluxe studio, you get a queen size bed, which is great. One of the things that's a little dated about this resort, and hopefully they're gonna be doing a hard goods reset soon, is there is no nightstand on this side of the bed. You just have a lamp. Then you do have a nightstand over here. They do have a clock radio that has some USB ports in it. We discovered ours were not working last night, but we called the front desk, and immediately, with it literally less than 5 minutes, we had housekeeping up here with a brand new clock radio. They replaced it, and now our USB ports work. So that's a nice touch. But hopefully when they remodel this resort, they'll give you nightstands on either side with the built-in USB regular and USB-C. You get a nice dresser here with 4 drawers on each side, plenty of storage for clothing, which is great. Big flat screen TV, which we love. You get a little Hawaiian flower for your hair. If I had any, I'd attach it, but I don't. But anyway, that's cute. There is a full-length mirror, which is great. Make sure you look good before you go to the pool or the spa or the restaurant. Old school controls. One of the challenges that we always face when we stay at these DVC resorts is they have these sensors. So it makes it a little challenging at night because if you're not up and about moving around these rooms, the air conditioning stops working. Just FYI. So you might have to get up in the middle of the night and wave your arms. Also, moving over here. We're making good use of our little table space over here, but I love the touch. Ukulele Mickey. Right here at ALUANI. Another mirror, couple chairs, so you can have meals here, relax, work, etc. And then we have the sofa over here, very comfortable couch, and the nice thing is this is a pull-out bed. Again, this is older Disney Vacation Club. I'm sure whenever they do the hard goods reset at this resort, they'll do much like they have at the others and put in the fold-down Murphy bed situation. But for now, this is what we have here. Love the artwork, beautiful Hawaiian landscape. And this artwork is actually created on a wood canvas, which is kind of cool. But the most important thing, what do you come to Hawaii for? The views, right? And the nice thing about this resort, DVC, all of the deluxe studios, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and the grand 3-bedroom villa, they all have balconies. So let's go check out our view. I mean, does it get any better than this, folks? Absolutely breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean, the ALUANI Resort. And we happen to be overlooking the grassy area down below, which is where they hold the luau. And we got here last night, they were having a dance party. We're here during Halloween time, so there was like a Halloween festival going on, and we had Goofy and Max out there dancing, which was a blast. But check it out. There's a wedding going on right now.
Oh.
They're actually doing their vows right now. Oh, how sweet. I love to see that, a couple getting married.
Yeah.
And Juan
beautiful.
Carlos and I happen to be here 4 years later, almost 4 years. We're celebrating our honeymoon because we got married back in February of 2020, as you know. Unfortunately, the world went into chaos in March that year.
Yeah.
So it took us several years, but we finally made it. And this is officially our honeymoon. And wow, what a spectacular place to celebrate it with the man I love. I love you.
Yep.
So remember, if you want to know more about Disney Vacation Club, you want to follow us on the channel, check out Gays of DVC on Facebook and Instagram. And of course, we're always here on our Gio and JC platform. And as we always say, happiness is a lifestyle. Thanks for watching, everyone. Ciao for now. Oh, wait. Mahalo.
Mahalo. And remember, subscribe,
Like,
and share.
all of that good stuff. Ciao for now.